Sometimes when you go exploring in the forest or in woods, you see things that you expect and then you see things that you don't expect. Like I can see a squirrel's nest way up in the tree. See all those leaves that are in one pile? That's pretty neat. I see an evergreen tree amongst all the other trees. He's the only one that's green right now. I see moss at the bottom of this tree trunk and this tree trunk and lots of brown dead leaves. And I see big fuzzy moss right here. Oh, and there's more deer poop. See, you never know what you're going to find when you go on a little hunt. Here's some dead pine needles that have fallen down. Here's some thorns that are on vines. Wouldn't want to walk through those. Those could hurt. Aren't they pointy and sharp? It's a whole bush filled with vines. So as we get deeper into the spring, all this will fill out and it will all be green around here. Very interesting when you go on a little hunt to see what you can find. I can also see the green grass starting to pop up underneath these leaves. Can you hear the crunching under my feet? Let's see if we listen carefully if we can hear birds. I can hear a few little birds chirping. Hard to hear when I'm walking though. Let's look at this tree. Oh, I see a hole. I hope no animal's gonna jump out at me. Mrs. Garrepy would scream. Hello in there. No, I don't think anyone's living in there today. Or maybe they're going for another stroll in the woods just like we are today. Oh, I can hear birds chirping. Pretty neat. You always want to make sure if you're going for a walk in the woods that you have an adult with you. Let's see if I can find any other little treats in the forest.